checked out that massive pile of chips.
That's right.
I understand they get on that conveyor.
And then they go into this silo right here.
This
So
silo
from
right
the
here?
chip reclaimer that we saw at the big chip pile, they go to this silo.
Okay.
And this silo allows us to meter consistently the amount going into the dryer.
So is meter just a fancy way of saying what?
It's a fancy way to say that consistent flow. When we get to the other side, we'll look at the furnace where the heat comes from. Through that blue chute, the chips go into the dryer.
This big thing right here.
Yep, that's turning and tumbling the tips. So they come in here at 50% moisture and they come out the other end at 10% moisture.
When you say dryer, we know how a dryer at home works. Is it kind of like the same idea? It's got to be massively different, right?
So there's a big fan that's pulling heat from the furnace and chips through the dryer. So it's 1,000 degrees right here,
Oh.
and it's about 200 degrees at the end.
Okay, so it gets cooler as it goes to the dryer.
As the water evaporates, it's cooled down.
Okay.
Cool, huh?
We're certain there's no clothes in there, no free laundry in here.
One large pair of blue jeans. All right, now that we've walked to the other side of the dryer, in front of us is the furnace. This is where we burn bark to generate the heat to dry the
bark that
chips.
comes off of the logs that come in.
Exactly.
So
And
we're
we're
using every part.
using 100% of the tree that comes in. That's correct.
Renewable.
And when we get to the control room, we'll look at a camera that's inside that furnace and you can see the fire. It's really cool, right?
Okay.
So this is what the chips look like when they come out of the dryer. So they went in at 50% moisture, and now you can see they're quite dry. They're down below 10%.
And this is what's going into the hammer mills.
Correct. So we're going to take this into a hammer mill and turn it into sawdust.
Are there actual hammers in there? Like,
There are.